Hello guys, how are you doing? Hope everyone is doing great. It is long time we have not yet done the video on stock market because I was busy in last week, and this week also I am so much busy, but I want to do our portfolio review for this week, so we are doing this video. So last week was not good for our market. Most of our stock were going down due to the sell off in the market, but don't worry, it will come back because there will be market correction every time, maybe 20-30%, and it will come back surely. So please be don't fear about your stocks, and your money will not go anywhere if you invest in our portfolio stocks. So let us discuss about our stocks, how they are, what is the pattern right now for that stocks, and we can sell or we can buy or hold it. We can discuss about our 10 stocks today. Our first stock is General Motors. Right now General Motors in bearish movement, but it will move up in long term. For 1 to 6 weeks it will be going down a little bit further, and 2 to 6 week window it will going down, and from 6 week to 3 months it may be in same level, and maybe after 3 months or 4 months it may come up again. If you want, you can sell out General Motor right now, but if you want to be the long term player, you can hold it. The second stock in our portfolio is Neo One. The Neo stock, when we discussed in our last review, it was 66 or 68. Right now the value is 50, so it is almost down for 30%. And as we discuss, I asked you guys to invest only 50% of our portfolio. Right now Neo, even though Neo also is in bearish movement right now, but as it is decreased a lot, it is in buy state right now. You can invest some money in Neo right now. And our next stock is Snap. You guys saw that, right? It moved from 50 to around 70, and right now I think it is 68 or 67 currently, and recently it got buy rating from the one of the analyst, and it is going to rock definitely. But right now most of the stocks are having in bearish movement, so the same way Snap is on also in bearish movement. If you want to hold it, but it is good time to capitalize some gains, and you can buy it after 2 to 3 weeks based on the correction of the stock. I think I am expecting that correction will be on Snap. And our next stock is Uber. Uber stock right now, it is also in bearish mode, and this stock right now is in 51 range. It was in 55, but per my knowledge it is a $1 trillion company, and it got recently 2 buy ratings from analysts. And if you want hold it for a long time, keep buying few Uber stocks, so it will come back. No need to worry. Our next stock is Plug stock, yeah, it is also got recently one buy rating, but it is in bullish movement right now, but after 3 to 6 weeks it may go down further. So we are expecting from right now it is in $50, and definitely it will go to 60 to 65 in 3 to 6 weeks. So it is in bullish mood right now. I think this is the only stock in this bear market. It is in bullish movement right now because it's reduced a lot. It was around 68 and it came to 50. So that it is time to buy few of our plug, and you can sell it around 60 to 65 range. So you can get profits very easily, 20 to 30% in plug. Our next stock is Nikola. Nikola is fully in bearish movement, but right now it is in $18. So it is always move between $17 to $24. So maybe you can add few stocks right now and you can sell out at 24. And definitely Nikola, as we discussed, right, it is a future stock, but right now they don't have any product for Nikola, but it is going to rock in future. And our next stock, next 4 stocks are very big stocks, $1 trillion companies: Apple, Google, Microsoft and Amazon. These 4 stocks are also having bearish mode right now, but let us discuss one by one. The first one is Apple. Apple right now is around $121 to $121. So you can invest few stocks right now and it will go to 125 to 126 very easily. So that you will get 7 to 8% very easily. So as we discussed last time, right, I asked you guys to invest only 50% of your portfolio value. It is time to buy that 25% of remaining 25, keep it for future reference. If market go down further, invest that 25% after market go down further. Next stock is the Google one. The Google one is in very bullish mode and it will go up definitely, but it may drag down around 1700 in this bearish market. But don't miss, once if you come to 1700, load how many stocks you want, load it. So it is going to rock. So it's unstoppable and it will give standard for our portfolio also. The Microsoft, next one, it is also right now in bearish mode, but very bullish for long term and it's going to rock in future. And another stock is Amazon. For future also we are seeing some bearish movement in Amazon. I am seeing a little bit uncomfortability in e-commerce right now, but right now Amazon not only is on e-commerce but also on AWS and other cloud services. But still most of guys are saying that it's going to be bearish, but I can say that if it is go to 2700, try to buy a few stocks and we can sell it at out 3100 to 3400 very easily. So overall our long term stocks are General Motors, Google and Plug. These 3 are overall long term stocks in our portfolio, and remaining 6 are we need to buy and sell based on our discussions. And our portfolio is going to have a lot of stability because of we are having 4 big companies in our portfolio: Apple, Google, Microsoft and Amazon. So guys, with this explanation I think you guys know what are the stocks you need to buy in this bear market and what are the stocks you need to sell off, what are the stocks you need to keep it for long term, and this information definitely will helpful you guys. And if you guys wanted further information or if you want to know about how I can explain better, please let me know in comments so that I can improve myself and I can also give good information for you guys by searching in different sources. Thank you guys.
Thank you.